Ooh, boy, this is the first time I've been fishing in a while. Out here on Grays Creek. Gonna see if I can catch maybe some bluegills. Try for some saccalid. I ain't been doing much fishing, man. Got over a bout of cellulitis. Boy, I tell you what, that's no joke. I wouldn't wish that on anybody. I went fishing at False River and was standing around in the water at the kayak launch, man, and 2 days later, my legs swelled up red, bro, and then started blistering and shit, bro. I tell you what, that hurt like almighty, bro. Woo. So that put a dent in my fishing time, camping time, and bike riding time. Went to 3 different doctors, 3 different antibiotics before they figured out that it was strep instead of staph. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I was scared for a second. I was scared of losing my leg, bro. That's probably the worst infection I've ever had. In 53 years, that's probably the worst infection I've ever had. Whew. Anyway, I'm gonna get on back here and try for some saccalid early in the morning. Oh, bro, really? Water's high like this and the water's all back up in the woods, the fish is always back up in there. Yeah. How you doing? This place ain't been the same since Idaho. Yeah. O'Malley, a little bitty one. Got him on my white wing skeeter. Yeah, I didn't really hook him in the mouth. I hooked him underneath the chin, bro. Little bluegill. Man, I had to do some rough fishing for that one little fish. It's crazy. Hurricane Ida jacked this place up. I used to come out here and catch 50 bluegills, man, easy. Now if I catch 2 or 3 of them, I'm doing good. Damn hurricanes, man. Hurricanes. I hate them. Well, I think that's it for today.